You must be kidding me. Nope. With this keto creamy chocolate hazelnut spread, you can keep your diet on the right track. Preheat your oven to 160 Celsius. Put some parchment paper on the baking sheet. Spread the hazelnuts and make sure they don't overlap each other. Into the oven for 15 minutes. With a kitchen towel, rub the skin off as much as you can. I heard that it's easier to peel them if you put them into hot water, but I haven't tried it yet. Let me know in the comments if you had. Into the food processor, make sure the hazelnuts are not super hot. Blend it until it's getting smooth. Let the food processor rest if you feel it's heating up. Scrape the sides off if it's stuck on, and add 5 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Give it a quick blend. Add 5 tablespoons of sugar-free Dutch cocoa powder, the finer the better, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla aroma. You can use vanilla extract as well. And 6 tablespoons of powdered erythritol. Give it another blend until it gets smooth and pour it into a jar and you're all set. It has no added sugar, dairy-free and keto-friendly. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Enjoy healthy. Thank you for watching.